lot of the things that I'm seeing when I'm working are very interesting, and so that's what I want to share with you today, is a perspective of what's happening on the border from someone who is living and working on the border. And so I got a lot of questions on social media, is your life in danger? Who's paying the migrants? So it was really interesting for me because I see, a mother with 4 kids who's walked, for example, from Nicaragua, and this is a mother who I did meet. I have a photo of her somewhere in here. And she's essentially walked thousands of miles. She's wearing flip-flops. And I'm thinking, if you saw this woman, no one would ask who's paying her. It's a narrative that shouldn't exist. I think that we can talk about migration and migration policy without having it be something that is inhumane. Migration is always about gangs and drugs and violence. And when I'm working with migrants, that's not what I see, and those are not the stories that I want to tell. I'm really interested in working on issues related to women and children in the LGBTQ community.